What's going on, guys? It's Coder, and welcome back to your third JavaScript tutorial. And in this tutorial, I want to start out by talking to you guys about something called comments. Now, if you are familiar with XHTML, you know that sometimes you can leave comments to yourself. And if you guys don't know what a comment is, Uh, a comment is basically a line of text or a line of code. Uh, line of code that your browser ignores completely. So, why would you want to leave these comments in your program or code? So, basically, what is the use of comment section is that, for example, if two programmers are working on same code and I am using this function and uh, consider that there are a lot of lines of code in the here, so my second programmer will be for him it will be easy if I had mentioned a comment. Means I will mention that this function is, for example, this function will output JavaScript comment. Okay, so by using comment section, comment features, I can uh, make it easy for other programmers or me also, that if I open my code after 1 year 1 month, then I will easily get understand what I had done while doing coding. So comment is basically a line of text or a line of code that your browser ignores completely. So if you write anything in this comment section, then the browser will not means process this line. Okay, you want to leave this comment in your code. So and why are they useful? Well, a comment is basically just like a sticky note or a reminder telling you to do a something, like maybe edit a line of code or add something else to your web page. So I had already explained sorry, it's going to be a line that your browser just ignore, just so you know it's just so the programmer or whoever created the web page can follow along easier. So go ahead, and in order to add a comment in JavaScript, and press // okay, so to add comment you just have to do this // and anything you which you are going to write here. For example, this function is for print purpose. So what will happen if I save this and run this command, run this code? Okay, so what will happen? One minute. So you can use comments in any programming language. If you are familiar with programming, then you must know the importance of comment. Okay. Okay, see here. When we run this command, run this code, we get this output: JavaScript comment and my first paragraph. As we had used the print option, print function, that is document get element by id. So here by id is what we had used the css for this. Yes, here we had applied a paragraph to my PID and h1 heading to this id, my HID. So that's what this JavaScript comment is displaying in. Its output is in h1 and this one is in paragraph. Okay, so if you want to leave a comment, that's like alright. So go ahead, edit this web page and wash Okay, so in this way you can use comment. This is one line comment. You can use, there are various different types of comment also. For example, in one line comment, in one line comment, you just have to add double forward slash, and then your comment, what you have to write in comment, and then just hit the enter. So anything you will write in this line of your code will be considered by browser as a comment. But what if you want to write in different lines? If you want to write a comment in different line, so for that you have to use forward slash asterisk, that is star, then start writing your comment. This code is for example by new coder. So you had already seen that after adding this forward slash star, that whole code is become uh, uh, whole code is become comment. But so after adding forward slash star, your whole code has become comment. So we just have to our to end this your comment, to end your comment section, you have to write star, once again star, then forward slash. So see that everything which you had written between these two is become uh, comment section. So the difference between the single line comment and the multi-line comment is that in single line comment, that which for that we use double forward slash. The line, anything which you write in the line is considered as comment by browser. But in the multi-line comment, you can write anything, means like a paragraph as a comment, but you have to end it with star forward slash. So thank you guys, and if you have any suggestion, then you can comment below. And thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.